So ideally, when it comes to downspouts, you want them just charging 4 to 6 feet away from the foundation. What we have here is a pretty extreme result of not adhering to that. So what's happened over time is the water has continued to accumulate at the corner of the foundation here, allowing moisture exposure or moisture intrusion at the corner of the foundation. It's caused extreme settlement of the fill and the grading of the driveway. So unfortunately now all the water that discharges here is going to be tunneled right to the corner of this foundation. So when we get inside, we'll have a look and see if there's any moisture intrusion in the basement. It's not just the downspout, this is your sump pump. Seems to be full of debris. And this is a pretty extreme result. This isn't typical, but this is what happens if your downspouts are discharging next to your foundation. Pulling this image directly from our report, we have the interior view of the corner of that foundation. We do have an elevated moisture content of 37% and some minor fungal growth, indicating that the moisture intrusion is ongoing and current.